Hello, my name is John Pajor. I am the Development Concierge for the Kansas City, Missouri Planning and Development Department. In this video, we'll walk through the role of the Kansas City, Missouri Planning and Development Department and how early coordination can strengthen your CCED application and reduce delays later in the process. The Planning Department administers the city's zoning and building codes to promote quality of life and well-being throughout Kansas City. Understanding these two areas, zoning and building codes, is essential for any applicant pursuing a development project. Let's start with zoning. The zoning code governs the orderly development of land. It establishes how land can be used, as well as the type, size, and placement of buildings on a property. Whenever someone is evaluating a property, it is critical to understand what uses are allowed and what uses are not allowed under the current zoning designation. If your intended use does not align with existing zoning, a change may be required. Changes in land use can involve public input and may require approval from a board, commission, or the city council. That means zoning issues can directly affect your project timeline. Before signing a lease, purchasing land, or investing in design work, you are strongly encouraged to research zoning and land use requirements. This proactive step can help avoid unnecessary costs and unexpected delays. You can check zoning and land use information through the city's Parcel Viewer tool and other resources available on kcmo.gov. Now, let's talk about building codes. The building code is a set of rules and regulation that ensures structures are sound, safe, and healthy. The Planning and Development Department issues permits for the construction and renovation of buildings. In many cases, an architect or engineer licensed in the state of Missouri must prepare plans that demonstrate compliance with the city's adopted codes. For new construction, plan sets typically include a foundation plan, elevations, structural details, relevant construction notes. Projects must also include a site plan showing lot dimensions, setbacks, property lines, driveways, easements, and other required details. The city also requires compliance with adopted energy conservation codes. Plans must include an energy code analysis and identify the selected compliance method. Depending on the method selected, additional documentation or third-party review may be required. All construction plans are submitted electronically through the city's Compass KC system, where applicants can track the status of plan reviews and permitting. It is important to understand that most plans do not pass on the first review, so your project schedule should account for potential revisions. After plan approval, a licensed contractor can apply for the building permit. Trade permits for electrical, plumbing, and HVAC are issued separately. City Planning and Development offers several pathways to help applicants understand requirements before moving forward. You may visit kcmo.gov to review property information, permitting guidance, and detailed checklists. Contact a planner at pod@kcmo.org to ask questions or request a meeting. Email codequestions@kcmo.org to determine permitting requirements or clarify applicable codes. If you are unsure who to contact, the Planning and Development team, including the Concierge Services Unit, can help route your questions to the appropriate staff. The most important takeaway is this: early engagement with city planning and development helps ensure your project is realistic, code compliant, and properly sequenced. Zoning alignment, permitting readiness, and code compliance are foundational components of a shovel-ready project. The Planning and Development Department has a team of professionals ready to assist you, and they look forward to working with you to successfully complete your project.